about the rationale of the award. I have felt a long time ago na ang karamihan kasi ng mga heroes natin, puro taga Luzon. We had the Gohoy and I forgot the other one. Pati si Lapu-Lapu, who was the first Filipino to kill the invaders, si Magellan. And all these years, ang commission, not the present one, Mr. Badoy, wala lamang na-recognize na Muslim na hero. And to think that Lapu-Lapu, in all probability, was really a Muslim. He resisted imperialism because may poste sila eh.